welcome back to TechMania. Today, we're reviewing the Logitech Unifying Receiver, a 2.4 GHz wireless USB adapter compatible with all Logitech Unifying devices, including wireless mice and keyboards. If you want to get this receiver, check the link in the description below. The Logitech Unifying Receiver allows you to connect multiple compatible Logitech devices, up to 6, using a single USB port. This makes it perfect for decluttering your workspace while maintaining a stable, reliable wireless connection. It works seamlessly with PCs, Macs, and laptops, providing plug-and-play functionality without the need for extra software. Setting up the receiver is simple. Just plug it into your device's USB port, and it automatically pairs with your Logitech devices. For those with multiple Logitech peripherals, the unifying software allows easy management and pairing of all devices on a single receiver. This reduces the need for multiple dongles and keeps your setup clean and organized. With 2.4 GHz wireless technology, you get a strong, consistent connection with minimal latency. Whether you're typing, browsing, or gaming, the receiver ensures your devices respond quickly and reliably. It's small and portable, making it easy to carry with your laptop or keep discreetly on your desk without taking up space. This receiver is ideal for students, professionals, and anyone with multiple Logitech peripherals. It's perfect for home offices, workplaces, and mobile setups, making device management simple and efficient. Its compatibility with all Logitech Unifying devices means you can expand your setup anytime without worrying about additional receivers. Overall, the Logitech Unifying Receiver combines convenience, reliability, and versatility. It's a must-have accessory for anyone using multiple Logitech wireless devices. Don't forget to check the link in the description to get yours today and simplify your wireless device setup.